Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Virgin Atlantic points. So let's get started. So you have to follow these steps. So here I will just go. So to use your Virgin Atlantic points, so there are many ways to spend your points. So the first way is to reward the flight. Okay, so you can just buy the flight tickets, or you can just upgrade your seats, or you can just go to your holidays. So here you can just learn more. Okay, so to use the point, if you have we have the minimum 12 rewards points on the seat of here. So you can just use for the flights. There is no available seat on the plus. For the alternative, plus money is available in the Virgin Atlantic. Book online. The cost reduce the cost for the each will be 3000 point redeem at plus. uh, Plus you will also earn the Virgin point on the points. Okay, so you will when you will just have a 3000 point, you can just book a free flight. Okay, so this is how we can just use our Virgin Atlantic points. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.